Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever in the world you're watching us from right now. Um, Today's class is gonna be very powerful. I wish I were on my laptop. I wish I were on my desk rather. There's a concept I wanted to teach you guys. I wanted us to backtest together a trading strategy that I'm developing. It's a new strategy. Um, I've been working on it now. This is over. Yes, I have one strategy that's in my name, but this and that one is doing a minimum of 70% winning ratio every time. But no, this new strategy I'm trying to work on is less complex. Is less complex, and I wish I were on my desk, but sadly, I have to rush out today to buy some things. So we can do a little bit celebration for my babe. It's her birthday today, so mhm, I'm out. However, don't worry, she's not here. Don't worry, she's not here. However, we are going to move that particular analysis to next week. Next week, I'll break it down for you guys, and we'll go into what exactly that strategy is, and it's going to be a very powerful session. But before we go into all of those sweet stuff, I want you to first um know that this video is not sponsored. This video is not sponsored. Yeah, some products links are affiliate links, which means if you buy something, we get a little commission, but it's not sponsored by anybody, any broker, any individual. These my live sessions are strictly me giving back to you guys. Um, so drop your location in the chat box. Where are you joining us from right now? I am in Lagos, Nigeria. Good morning, legend. Good morning, Tama Okpara. Good morning, Christopher. Happy birthday to her. Thank you. So she's in the UK. She's in the UK and she's okay. Not like some people that are in the UK and they're not okay. Anyways, that she's in the UK and she's doing okay. Okay. Um, Wishing well. Thank you. Thank you. Lagos. Awesome. Ghana. Accra. Accra. I'm gonna be in Accra this year. I'm trying to set up an event there, but let me finish up with Dubai. Let me finish up with Lagos. Let me finish up with Abuja and Port Harcourt. So once I finish up those four locations, Accra is next. Don't worry, Accra is next. Accra is next. My God, happy birthday to her. Thank you. Good morning, Ghost General. Good morning from Benin, Lagos, Abuja, Lagos, Abuja. Awesome, 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 awesome. Wait, this Okpara is that's the lady that is talking to me on WhatsApp. I want to believe. Right? I want to believe she's the one that because I just saw Abuja now and it's trying to ring a bell. You're the one that my brother gave my contact, right? If you're the one, just let me know. Just let me know. You're very consistent. You're very consistent. It's good. That's the mindset of a winner. Yes, nice, nice. That's the mindset of a winner. Consistency, consistency. Whether you feel like it or not, show up. That's the mindset of a winner. Consistency, 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 consistency. That's the mindset of a winner. Anyways, today's class is gonna be really powerful, like I said earlier, and we are going to break down two things. It's going to be a short class, actually, a very short class. I'll break down two things right after we look at the chart. So first, let's look at the charts for today. Um, let's look at the charts for today. So we'll know what GPS is trying to do. Let's look at the charts. Okay. Okay. So there's something called fake breakouts. When this guy broke below here, as long as it didn't close below, I told them that it's a fake breakout. We are buying. And I came here and closed above. Are you seeing this? It came up and closed above the previous support. Previous resistance rather. But here it broke below, but it didn't close below. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours closed above, same thing. So what are we doing on GU, please? Buying. Are we trying to sell now? No. Many of you guys, because this is a valid sales zone, by the way. I'm not talking down on the fact that this is valid or not valid. No, I'm not talking down on that. It's a valid sales zone. Actually, I'm also tempted. I won't lie to you, right? I'm also tempted. However, in situations like this, what you want to do is on the 4 hour, wait for this current 4 hour candle that came after the closure, after the break and close. The next one, wait for it to close. If that one closes heavy bearish, maybe an engulfing or equal lows, any kind of heavy bearish, then we can say, okay, this market is trying to change trend to a bearish. But for now, GU, I beg you, nobody's selling. You're buying. All right, for now, you're buying. For now, nobody's trying to sell. For now, all right. For now, later on we can look for sales. But for now, reason being that H4 closed above previous resistance. H1 did the exact same thing. So I want to wait for the next 1 hour 48 minutes and see how the candle closes. Now, two things. If this thing does not close heavy bearish, meaning we are buying, we will look for anywhere to buy. But where are we buying to? We are buying to this zone first as a TP1. All right. Then we are buying to this zone here as a TP2. Do you understand? We're buying to this zone as a TP2. That is if this thing fails to close bearish. But if it closes bearish, where are we selling to? This zone 1, this zone 2, and then overall we'll be looking at this zone. Overall we'll be looking at this zone as zone 3. All right. So I just told you the two possible things that will happen. Nothing else can happen aside what I just shared with you. Mark my words for it. I've been in this game for a long time. I know the nooks and crannies of this market. That's the truth. The market's the same every single time. It just repeats itself. And I've seen exactly this pattern before. That's why I told my boys, this thing is a fake breakout. They said it has broken below. It has broken below. That was 15 minutes. Look at 15 minutes broke and closed below. But I told them until 1 hour and 4 hours do the same thing. I'm not going to play the game of we are in a bearish trend. See, this one did not close below on the 1 hour, but 15 minutes closed below. Look at 15 minutes closed below. Second candle did not even make half of it. So they were like, yes, that's a confirmation. I said, no, that's not a confirmation. All right. Because I've been in this environment for quite some time now. So I should be able to tell you some things and you listen to me and do just as I said. All right. Now, if you are buying, where are we buying from? Good question. Pull out your Fibonacci from the low to the high. 50% of it, which is around here. Target is minus 27, which is equal to the previous one we had, the other zone. Yeah. So if we are buying, this is where we are buying from, and this is where we are buying to. If it's a buy, so because this guy closed above, which means it confirms to me that we are trying to buy. I won't lie to you. So once price comes down, no matter how low it comes, I'll just look for an entry. I'm just being real with you guys. I'll just look for an entry because I've seen something that looks sort of a confirmation, all right, which is that price closed above on the H4 and on the H1. And this is a very good trade. You can take it, right? Let me share it with you guys. This is a good trade you can take. Let me share it quickly on the Telegram and on the WhatsApp. Proper risk management, please. Please, by the way, those of you that have my WhatsApp number, I don't want to be seen on unnecessary phone calls. Oh. I was very offended yesterday. I shared my WhatsApp group link to a particular community, to the Telegram community. And next thing was people were coming to WhatsApp and entering my DM and calling me at 3 a.m. What's that? Please don't let it repeat itself. Oh. The fact that I'm trying to teach you and I'm trying to support your personal growth does not mean you should break into my boundaries. Okay? Please, please, please. That should not happen again. Again. If you want to call me, let me know. Don't just pick up your phone and call me. No. If you want to call me, are you available, sir? Oh, yes, I am. Okay. No, I won't. Let me call you back. Yes, that's proper communication. All right? 3 a.m., someone was calling me. I was sleeping. I had to sleep early because I knew that, okay, it's quite an eventful day Finished talking with my babe very late at night, went to bed, and next thing was I'm seeing a phone call. And I wake up because my phone will ring now. I'm like, what's this? Unknown number. And I pick it. And the first time I'm hearing is, good afternoon, Mr. David. Yes, sir, I'm a trader too. I just hung up the phone. Don't tell me anything. A trader, okay. I thought it was an emergency from someone. Please, please. I came to my WhatsApp this morning. The same number is telling me all I need is $100. So you're calling by 3 a.m. to beg me for $100. I'm not giving you that 100. I'm not giving you. Even if it's $10, I'm not giving you. That's very, very insulting. Please don't let it happen again. Oh, again, again. If you are in that shoes, you are planning on coming to my DM to, I don't know, at weird hours. You just lost it. Oh. You just lost my attention, because I'm not going to respond to you. I'm not. I felt very, very insulted. All right. Please, are we entering a trade? You can, but I don't trade on Monday, so I'm not going to enter. Okay. You can, oh, but me, I'm not going to enter the trade. You have my contacts. I'm not saying you should not message me. Message me now. Why not? I'll respond. As long as I'm available, I will respond. Message me. The only thing is, just have some time. I don't access messages after a particular time, and everybody on my WhatsApp knows. I say it publicly and privately. After 9 p.m., don't enter my DM. Okay? Don't enter my DM. Even if it's an emergency, don't enter my DM. My business is open from 8 a.m., closing by 8 p.m. After then, leave it like that. Yeah, sorry. Why are you streaming from your car? I'm not seated in the house, so sorry. So I just have to park somewhere, and then I'm having the live stream. Another day, don't worry. I'll sit on my desk and teach you guys. So this is for the sell and for the buy. For the sell, I don't have an analysis for that yet. All right, I don't, honestly, because there's no confirmation. For the sell, if 4 hour closes as bearish as it is right now, like closes bearish completely. When I say completely, I mean if 4 hour drags, if the candle drags below this previous 4 hour level, I'd like to enter my own sell upon the opening of the next candle. Jonathan, upon the opening of the next candle. That's what I would like to do. All right. That's if it closes bearish. But if not, we're going to buy. I'm being honest with you guys. We're going to buy. Okay. Though I won't buy, because, like I always tell you, I don't trade on Mondays. But it's a good trade you guys can take out. Just proper risk management, and it's good. All right. But for the most of the week, I'll update you guys. So don't expect so much from me right here and right now. I'll update you guys later on. Into the week, actually. I'll be quite often on my system, on my laptop rather, this week. So expect some responses from me. Okay. So that's all about the candles and the charts and all of those. Now, I said I'll share with you two things. Really powerful. The very first thing I want to share with you guys is sorry, hold on. Very first thing I want to share with you guys is okay. I was saying that the very first thing I want to share with you guys today is the principle of wealth building. All right. I observed many times that when people want to do something really, really beneficial to themselves and the community, they don't look at the long-term picture. All right. What do I mean long-term picture? I mean they don't look at, sorry, a second please. They don't look at the long-term picture. They just I mean they just do it to maybe get food on their table for right now and stuff. So when I was broke, like very, very broke, I'm honest with you guys, when I was very, very broke, I rejected invitations to places, even though I knew that it would give me money, but it doesn't align with my value. What it means is, from day one, I've been a value oriented individual. All right. So If a place does not align with my values, if a place does not align with my objectives and goals, best believe I'm gonna reject an invitation, no matter how sweet that invitation is. All right, and that's how I've lived my life for so long. So what am I trying to say? In whatever you're doing, all right, let your core be the values. In wealth building, let your core be your values, because people are attracted to value. People feel comfortable around those who are value oriented and stick to their values. All right. So I've had big investors. I've had no matter, like, I'm talking about access to those big individuals that if I tell you their names, you'll be like, oh, how do you meet this guy? Yeah, it's on my WhatsApp and it's my very good friend. All right. Some of them are even calling me sir. Now the reason and all of those things is because I align myself with a particular set of values, and I don't compromise for anything or anyone. All right. So that's the very first thing. And what are the very core values? Integrity. Integrity is number one. Integrity is number one. Integrity is number one. Integrity is number one. All right. That's number one. Integrity is number one. If you say you do it, do it. If you cannot do it, tell them I cannot do it. Don't make a promise and not fulfill. That's number one. All right. Then some people are concerned about how you show off, some are not. Particularly, I only show off a certain kind of brand image. I put out a brand image of professionalism. I put out a brand image of being very official. I don't put out the brand image of, I mean, wearing Yahoo Boy clothes. I mean, there are people that do it, it's their brand, but not me. You won't find me wearing Yahoo Boy clothes and snapping and maybe even going to the extent of posting it up online and stuff. Only reason is that's not the kind of brand I'm trying to build. That's not the kind of brand I'm trying to build, all right? And that moves us to the second thing. First is your set of values. Second is the kind of brand identity you're trying to build, all right? If it's not going to be picture perfect, I'm not going to post it up. Not because I want to lie to you guys that I'm perfect. No. Simply because that's the kind of brand I'm trying to build. If it does not look picture perfect, if it does not appear picture perfect, guess what? I'm not going to post it. I'm not. I'm not. It's not me hating on anybody. It's just because that's the kind of brand I'm trying to put out there. Do you understand? I'm trying to put out there a brand of we know exactly what we're doing and we are professional about it. Love the sweet, yes, the drip check. Thank you. I didn't even post it up on IG, but yeah, I think I'll put it on my story, IG story, so that you guys that didn't see it on my WhatsApp will see it. Anyways, I'm trying to put out the brand. Yeah, you should do the same. You should do the same. First is your set of values. Second is the kind of brand you're putting out there. I see many of you guys wake up and just do one random selfie and you put it on your IG. IG is your CV, IG is your collateral. People have trusted me with billions of naira because they just saw something online and they believe it. I'm telling you the truth. All right. People have trusted me with crazy money. And with their money, I've been able to make my life okay. I've been able to, I mean, I have a house. Like, it's people's money. Do you understand? It's people's money. It's people's money. Other people's money. It's not my money. It's other people's money. But I've been able to use their money to multiply. I multiply their money and I got a percentage from it. Mhm. And I mean, see me. I'm not living a big life yet, but at least I drive a car. I live a comfortable life at home. There's nothing I want to buy. I can't afford right now. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Simply because I put out there a brand and people resonate with the brand. I put out there a brand and people would resonate with the brand. They connect with the brand. And that's what I want you to do also. Put out there a brand and let people resonate with that brand. Put out there a brand and let people connect with that brand. Because until people can connect with your brand, guess what? They cannot trust that brand. They just cannot, because it's hard to trust what you have not connected with. And that's what I want to teach you guys today. If you learn this one now, it will pay you more than Forex will pay you. because this skill, this simple information I'm giving to you is relevant in and out of Forex markets. It's very relevant within and without the Forex markets. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like I said, today's class is going to be very short, so I have to end the class now, actually, because I need to quickly do some other things. But don't worry, expect a lot of signals from me this week. I'm going to update you guys quite often. Yeah, I'm going to update you guys quite often. So have a good one, have a good time. If you have questions at any point, I mean, bring them. Not to my WhatsApp DM, I beg you. Just bring them. Ask anybody, or maybe bring them to our live sessions on Monday, and I'll respond to them. All right. I won't take questions today because of there's quite some things I need to sort out. So I'm not taking questions today, and that's all from me. Everybody have a blessed one. Have a blessed time. See you guys at the top, not from the top, because you know what I said. The bottom is way, way, way too crowded. Okay. So he says, how do you plan on celebrating the birthday? It's not your business. Have a great day.